The American dream car is turning into a financial nightmare on wheels. Brands once trusted for luxury, power, and reliability are collapsing under repair costs, disappearing parts, and brutal mechanical failures. Chrysler owners are abandoning dead transmissions. Jaguar drivers are drowning in electrical chaos. And one legendary brand has become so unreliable that even mechanics now warn buyers to stay away completely. But the worst part comes later, because the #1 collapse shocked even industry veterans across America. Number 6 is Chrysler. There was a time when Chrysler represented classic American confidence, big sedans, smooth V8 power, comfortable highway cruising. The Chrysler 300 especially became an icon for Americans who wanted luxury without paying European prices. It looked expensive, it sounded powerful, and for years, buyers believed Chrysler offered incredible value. But beneath the chrome and leather, problems were growing quietly. By 2026, older Chrysler vehicles are becoming financial landmines. Mechanics across America are seeing more transmission failures than ever before. Electrical systems randomly stop working. Dashboard warning lights flicker endlessly. Some owners report power steering failures appearing out of nowhere. Others say the infotainment systems freeze so badly that basic controls become unusable. And what happened next nearly destroyed owner confidence completely. Replacement parts are becoming harder to source for older models. Some repairs that once took days now take weeks because dealerships are struggling with inventory shortages. Owners are discovering that even simple electronic modules can cost thousands of dollars to replace. One Chrysler owner in Texas described spending over $6,000 within 8 months just trying to keep his 300 on the road. First, the transmission failed. Then the electrical system started draining the battery overnight. Then the suspension began collapsing. He finally sold the car at a massive loss because he simply couldn't trust it anymore. That emotional frustration is what's killing the brand's reputation fastest. Americans once bought Chrysler believing they were supporting a proud domestic company. Now many feel abandoned. Resale values are sinking because buyers know the risks. Dealerships are offering shockingly low trade-in prices because repair uncertainty scares everyone away. But the next brand is even worse, because at least Chrysler repairs can sometimes be manageable. This next company created cars so beautiful that owners ignored the warning signs until the repair bills became impossible to escape. Number 5 is Jaguar. Jaguar once symbolized pure elegance. For decades, Americans saw the brand as the definition of sophisticated luxury: long hoods, rich leather interiors, quiet cabins. Driving a Jaguar made people feel important, successful, refined, and for a while the illusion worked perfectly. Then reliability shattered everything. By 2026, Jaguar has become one of the most feared luxury brands in the used car market. Mechanics openly warn customers to think twice before buying older Jaguars because the problems never seem to end. Air suspension systems fail suddenly. Electrical glitches appear constantly. Screens freeze. Windows stop working. Cooling systems leak without warning. Some owners joke that every Jaguar dashboard eventually turns into a Christmas tree of warning lights. But wait until you hear what owners are paying now. A simple suspension repair can cost several $1,000s. Electrical diagnostics alone can drain wallets before the actual repair even begins. And because Jaguar systems are notoriously difficult to troubleshoot, labor costs spiral out of control fast. One owner in Florida explained how his used Jaguar XF looked like the deal of a lifetime at first. The price had dropped dramatically compared to German luxury cars. But within a year, he spent nearly $10,000 repairing suspension components, coolant leaks, and electronic failures. Eventually, the car spent more time inside repair shops than in his own driveway. That's the hidden trap. Jaguar vehicles depreciate so aggressively because experienced buyers understand the long-term risks. The low purchase price seduces people into thinking they found a bargain. Then ownership turns into financial warfare, and the emotional damage cuts deeper than the money. Owners genuinely fall in love with these cars. The styling, the comfort, the feeling of driving something special. That's why the disappointment hurts so badly when the repairs start piling up. Most buyers never see this collapse coming. But somehow, the next brand became even more dangerous. Because unlike Jaguar, this company sells the fantasy of exotic car ownership without warning people about the devastating cost hiding underneath. Number 4 is Maserati. Maserati mastered the art of temptation. The sound of the engine alone could make people emotional. The styling looked exotic, aggressive, expensive. Americans dreamed of owning one because it felt like entering a world reserved for celebrities and millionaires. And for a moment, buyers believed they were getting a bargain supercar experience. Then reality arrived. By 2026, Maserati ownership has become one of the fastest ways to destroy your savings account. Reliability problems continue haunting the brand everywhere. Turbocharger failures, transmission issues, electrical malfunctions, sensors failing constantly, dashboard warning lights appearing for no reason at all. And this next part scares mechanics the most. Many independent shops refuse to work on Maseratis entirely. The parts are expensive, the systems are complicated, and repairs often require specialized knowledge that smaller garages simply don't have. That forces owners back to dealerships where labor costs become terrifying. One California owner described paying over $4,000 for a brake service on his Maserati Ghibli. Not engine work, not transmission replacement, just brakes. Another owner waited nearly 3 months for a replacement electronic component because the part had to arrive from overseas. That's when the panic starts setting in. People buy Maseratis expecting prestige and excitement. But after the warranty expires, every strange sound becomes terrifying. Every warning light feels like a financial emergency waiting to happen. Owners begin driving in fear instead of enjoyment. And the resale values are collapsing brutally. Cars that originally sold for luxury home money are now depreciating faster than almost anything else in the premium market. Buyers know ownership can become financially catastrophic. Dealers know it too. Trade-in offers have become shockingly low because nobody wants to inherit expensive future repairs. But the worst part comes later, because the next brand convinced Americans their vehicles could survive anything. Mountains, snowstorms, flooded roads, and now those same owners are learning the terrifying price of that promise. Number 3 is Land Rover. Land Rover built an empire on adventure and status. Americans loved the image. Wealthy families drove Range Rovers through city streets, pretending they were crossing dangerous terrain. Celebrities turned the brand into a symbol of success. And for years, buyers believed these SUVs represented unstoppable luxury. But underneath the prestige was a growing mechanical disaster. By 2026, mechanics across America are warning people to avoid aging Land Rovers unless they have extremely deep pockets. Air suspension failures are everywhere. Timing chain issues destroy engines unexpectedly. Cooling systems leak constantly. Electronic systems malfunction without warning. Some owners report multiple major repairs happening within the same month. And what happened next nearly destroyed owner trust completely. Repair costs started stacking together like dominoes. Owners would repair one expensive issue only for another major problem to appear days later. A failed suspension compressor becomes a failed cooling system. Then suddenly the transmission begins slipping. Then the dashboard lights explode with warnings. One owner from Colorado described spending more than $12,000 within a single year trying to keep his Range Rover operational. He finally admitted the stress became unbearable. Every drive felt risky. Every startup sounded suspicious. That emotional exhaustion is crushing the brand's reputation. Forums are filled with horror stories from frustrated owners begging for solutions. Mechanics are becoming increasingly reluctant to work on certain models because diagnosing the endless electrical systems wastes huge amounts of time. And resale values continue collapsing. Luxury buyers are becoming smarter. They know older Land Rovers often transform into rolling financial disasters once warranties expire. Even wealthy buyers are starting to walk away because ownership simply feels too unpredictable. But unbelievably, 2 brands still rank worse. And the next collapse might be the most heartbreaking of all, because enthusiasts desperately wanted this company to succeed. Number 2 is Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo sells emotion better than almost anyone. The styling feels alive, the steering feels sharp, the engines sound passionate. Americans who bought Alfa Romeos weren't looking for boring transportation. They wanted excitement, personality, something unforgettable. And initially the brand looked ready for a comeback. Cars like the Giulia impressed reviewers everywhere. Enthusiasts praised the handling. Drivers loved the aggressive styling. For a moment, Alfa Romeo seemed like the perfect alternative to German luxury cars. Then ownership reality began destroying that dream. By 2026, Alfa Romeo reliability problems remain one of the biggest fears in the luxury market. Electrical issues appear constantly. Sensors fail randomly. Software glitches trigger endless warning messages. Some owners report cars refusing to start for no obvious reason. Others complain that dealerships struggle to diagnose problems properly. But the real nightmare comes from parts shortages. Owners across America are now waiting weeks or even months for replacement components. Imagine making monthly payments on a luxury sports sedan that's been sitting inside a dealership parking lot for 2 straight months waiting for parts. That frustration slowly turns into regret. One owner in New York described falling completely in love with his Giulia during the first 6 months. He said it felt more exciting than any BMW he'd ever driven. But after repeated electrical problems and long dealership delays, he finally sold the car because he couldn't handle the uncertainty anymore. And that's the tragedy. People genuinely love driving Alfa Romeos. The emotional connection is real. That's why the collapse hurts so deeply. Owners don't want to give them up. But eventually, the endless problems wear them down emotionally and financially. Most buyers never see this disaster coming because the cars feel so special during test drives. But now we arrive at the #1 brand, the company whose collapse shocked mechanics, longtime owners, and even loyal Nissan fans across America. #1 is Nissan. For decades, Nissan built a reputation Americans trusted: affordable sedans, dependable family cars, vehicles people believed would last forever. Models like the Altima became everywhere on American roads because buyers saw Nissan as reliable, practical, and affordable. But that reputation is collapsing fast. The biggest problem is the CVT transmission disaster. By 2026, countless Nissan owners are reporting catastrophic transmission failures costing thousands to repair or replace. Mechanics across America are overwhelmed with failing Nissan CVTs. Some cars begin shuddering before reaching 100,000 miles. Others suddenly lose power during highway driving. And what happened next shocked even mechanics. Repair costs became so extreme that many owners simply abandoned their vehicles. In some cases, replacing the transmission costs more than the actual value of the car itself. Owners are now trapped between 2 painful choices: spend thousands fixing the vehicle or walk away while still owing money on the loan. That financial pressure is destroying owner loyalty. Families who trusted Nissan for generations now feel betrayed. Online forums are flooded with stories about sudden breakdowns, massive repair bills, and dealerships offering little help. Some owners say they feel trapped because resale values have collapsed so badly. And the resale collapse is brutal. Dealers know buyers fear Nissan CVT failures. Trade-in offers have become painfully low, while used car shoppers actively avoid certain models completely. But the emotional damage may be even worse than the financial loss. Americans once trusted Nissan without hesitation. Now many owners feel frustrated, embarrassed, and financially drained after repeated transmission failures turned dependable family cars into complete money pits. These collapsing car brands are turning dream ownership into financial disaster for thousands of Americans every year. Comment below with your worst repair nightmare, like this video, subscribe for more classic car truths, and watch the next video before your next vehicle becomes a money pit too.